into my eyes, feel the love intensify, blow like dynamite. Give it all tonight, treat me good, I'll treat you right, let me satisfy. I want your body, just say you want me to. I got nothing else to do. I got nothing else to do. Blow like dynamite. Give it all tonight, treat me good, I'll treat you right, let me satisfy. I want your body, just say you want me to. I got nothing else to do. Drop it down, get down if you want me now. Get down, bring it to the ground. Get down if you want me now. I got nothing else to do.
My head spinning around, think I need a new one. My mind is drifting away, and I'm on the backseat of my own life. I don't wanna be like everybody, carried by the sea, sinking in too deep. Find my pieces, everything I seek. My heart is getting weak. If I am sick, you're my medicine. I need some remedy. Touch me one more time and I'll be fixed. Can you hear the sound of my soul calling out your name, begging you to stay? Can you hear the sound of my heart beating for you, beating for a change? My feet stop touching the ground. I'm getting closer to the sun. Rain is melting away. Need a glass of ice water to refresh my mind. I don't wanna be like everybody, carried by the sea, sinking in too deep. Find my pieces, everything I seek.
Yo chat, what's going on baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are doing well. It is round 2 for the day. Let's see what we can get. Markets looking amazing so far, really coming out alive. But I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are blessed. It's a great day to be alive, great day to be a trader, and I hope you guys are ready for it. As you can see, Chad, I'm by myself today. My boy Chris might join me a bit later. He's just in a bit of meetings, so he might come and fill in. Jev is not sick, Chad. He just moved into his new place, so he had to run out just to go get things sorted with the keys and gate keys and things like that, which obviously had to get programmed. So Unfortunately, Jev's not here. He said he's going to send a signal on the chat, so we'll see what the man does. But yeah, chat, it is going to be little old us here today. See what we can get. But before we get into anything, chat, let's welcome everyone in. From the messages, yeah, we've got Slashy in the building, Donnie, Leah FX, Etty, Marku, Forbes, Delano, Peter, Marku, Shiamo. Sorry, brother, if I butchered that one. Enlu, WSTNO, who else? Alian, Eden, Lilith, Boss Man, CEO, Earl, Brandon, Anity, Danielle. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are ready for this. I've got energy. We had a killer trade this morning, and hoping we can bring that same energy and profits to NYSE. So let's see, guys. Let's head over to the charts and see what's happening over there. So again, let's start off with fundamentals. We had earlier unemployment claims coming out. I don't know if any of you guys watched it, but that was almost a non-event, Chad. Markets barely doing anything. We obviously had a 208. They forecasted a 212, coming out 208. In my books, Chad, I'm going to say that's dollar weakness this time around. We are seeing the labor market starting to battle in the US, and we are now seeing that even unemployment claims, not the fact that it's coming up, not the fact that it's coming down, but in the long term, Chad, this is all slowly going to start chipping away to that fear of recession. And this was actually brought up a few times in the previous FOMC. I think, if I remember correctly, it was also a thing that was brought up in some of the articles about last night. That the fact if Jay Powell and the Feds keep holding out, that can be a precaution they're going to have to see happening with the dollar. It was a similar thing that happened with the pound, which was one of the very first things they spoke about for the pound early on in the year, and they had to make their precautionary measurements. So are we going to see the same thing from the dollar? We're going to have to see. But other than that, we've got some clear sailing ahead for the rest of the day. But Chad, just let me know if the audio is good. We're going to bring the music down a little bit. That's just loud in my ear. But other than that, Chad, things looking very good. So let's go to DXY. Let's start from the top down. We are looking pretty much bearish, but as I said, that news coming out earlier. So even though we are bearish, we can see over here the big move of FOMC last night. Almost coming out as a little doji candle now, purely again selling off and then trying to have that little bit of a pullback. Personally, we did sell off, gapped open, filled the gap. So technically, because this was a gap, I don't know if I'd want to really test that as a test on this zone. So we'll see what it gets there at Asia highs. But if we look at the 30 minutes, we can see us literally holding out here nicely. So when we start doing something like this, you guys will see that. Don't know why that's not working there, but you'll see we got these little zones here now. So things really starting to play out. 3 times around, we are starting to get some price action around this weekly key level. So eventually we want to see this key level start to fail. So what we're going to be looking out for here, Chad, is again Asia highs untested. But I said to you guys this morning, as much as we are bearish, I'd love to see us trade back up. Even if we don't test the Asia highs, test this rejection zone and get some. So maybe we get a nice wick up to Asia highs with a body closure here and a big rejection off that zone. Would be absolutely lovely. But again, if you guys have been around this week, the big news we're talking about with NFP, Chad, is NFP tomorrow. I think it's either going to be a massive shot for the dollar or a massive miss. And if we've been talking, is everyone is setting the dollar up to fail in a way. They forecasted highest they have this whole year with no reason for that. Every time they've done it in the past, it's either never come close, and then it's always been a revised amount afterwards. But the thing is, at the end of the day, if you trade that, it doesn't matter if it's revised. If that thing comes on a massive miss and then they revise it higher, it doesn't matter. That revision only comes in sometimes even up to 2 weeks later. So on the fact when that article comes out, it will be a miss and the markets are going to have to play catch up. So we're just going to have to see what happens over there. But again, this is going to be our area over here. If dollar wants to start showing any type of bullish momentum, we want to see it get above this zone and a nice hold. Going over to the indices, guys. So we are bullish. I said this to the guys this morning as well. We want to be trading back up. If anything, we wanted to see that sweep of the lows Otherwise, because we were so high here, we want to see holding Asia highs and getting above the zone. At this point in time, obviously having news bound, we kind of just little accumulated over here, a little bit of range bound in this little block. So we're just going to see, guys, if this thing personally breaks back into the Asia range under that daily pivot, we can see that sell-off coming for those weak Asia lows, and possibly even more of a sell-off to kind of basically maybe price in what's going to happen tomorrow. Otherwise, very, very simple. We can hold Asia highs, get above the zone, where we can finally hold the retest, look to go higher, back to this little zone over here. Again, not all-time highs, but just a nice pullback. So when we start looking on the 4 hour, it will just be very, very nice for us to break above, to go back to get here, because we got a long way back to all-time highs again. So will just be some nice structure breaks for us to the top side again. Then over to US 30, Chad. Almost the same thing, but this morning I said to the guys I was liking the structure of US 30 a bit more. We finally were going bullish, breaking bullish. We already do, as much as it's tiny, guys, a little stubble, we do have that bottom wick, so it's not that it doesn't have one. On the 4 hour, again, break. The thing I don't like though is we broke away with some late news after that, but no retest. So again, that's the one thing we are missing here. But again, if this is going to have a lot of volume to push this thing up, necessarily we don't need that bottom wick. Not bottom wick, retest, my bad. So we can see though we are ticking things off the checklist as we've broken up. Asia highs obviously coming back down for the Asia low retest, sweeping Asia lows but holding that daily pivot back to Asia highs. So now your Asia low has been tested, Asia highs being tested, daily pivots being tested, and now you found strength on the EQ, broke back above, and now looking good. So if we can stay above Asia highs, I'd love to see us have that push to the upside. When we start looking on the higher time frames, that 4 hour looking very, very good, massive little break above the support area over here, and now just sitting there. So we have a nice wick to the top to go full on this side. And again, let me line that up, that's going to bother me. We can see that trade up nicely over there. So I am still going to be bullish, just going to look for us to really hold here, and then maybe on the 5 minute we can get some type of structure break, maybe around this 38 or 100 120 kind of area, maybe something above there, look to go long. But Asia highs, again, the possibility is still there, as we said, for the sell off, purely because I said to you, from the initial breakaway zone we haven't had any retest. So if we can come back for that as well, so we just want to take note. We are obviously looking for the buys, that's what we want to favor today. But these markets lately, guys, if they told us anything, it's about having a bias, sticking to your bias, trusting it, but at the same time, don't be sitting there hanging on to hopium. If we need to adapt, we need to adapt, and we just want to be aware for that. Thanks so much. So other than that, Chad, I think that is a quick run through. Let me know you guys happy, you guys understand the plan, well, the action we're going to take here today. Let's just put this in the chat here quickly. Start a poll. There we go. All right. But other than that, chat, I hope you guys are having a nice, profitable day. Again, absolutely killing it this morning. So I hope a lot of you guys are able to catch that trade with us. But let's run through it, yeah, Chad. So good afternoon, Chad, Ruben. Let's get it, yo. What's up? Let's see. Let's see any messages. Jeff sent his setup in Fair Markets Discord for gold. There we go. Telegram. Yo, Chad. Afternoon, gents. What's up, Chad and Keegs? Solo flight. Yeah, Sean. Big G might join me a bit later. He's just in a meeting. Otherwise, it will be a solo flight today. There's Jeb's analysis. Edgar sent it there for you guys. Afternoon, Big G's and Chad Adonia. What's up, King? I hope you're doing well, brother. Took Nas buys earlier, hoping to push it a little bit up. Kagiso, we are bullish on it, brother. I don't know where you bought it from, but I hope it is looking good. I hope you didn't buy at the highs already. I hope y'all got the Fortnite W with Chris, bro. We actually had a killer session. We got 7. We only played 8 games, and we got 7 wins out of 8. So Chris says he's gonna retire now because he wants to end on a high. But it was a very good session. Afternoon, Chaz. What's up, Lethabo? Jared, thank you for the double stream. Of course, Jared. Every day, bro. We will always be streaming. Yeah. Might have some possible changes in the future, but there will always be the double stream. We do this for the community. Absolutely love you guys. In EU sells, Ruan, you know what? Because we got 10 minutes. I'm feeling good today. We'll have a look here quickly. What is EU doing? Funny enough, I am more bullish on EU, brother. I won't lie to you. But the fact is, you have broken under this key level, yeah. So actually, when I look at it that way, technically the sells can be valid. It's just very messy for me. I mean, if you look at this as a range, so yeah, definitely you could have the sells. If that doesn't go long term, you could go all the way back down to 0.660. Purely if we're just talking key levels, because this is now the zone you are in over there. That's the zone you're in. So definitely could see it come all the way back down. But yeah, not very messy price action for me. As you can just see, I don't want to be a part of that. So I'll stick to gold, bro. Build or no build? No build, bro. Only the one teammate of ours can really play balls. The rest of me, bro, that is too much. Remember, I trade support and resistance to keep things simple in life. I cannot calculate putting up a wall, a roof, a floor, and everything in like 3 seconds, bro. My fingers don't work that fast. Having some broken fingers, maybe it's because they like stubbles now because they've been broken a bit. They don't work that well. I don't know, but I can't do the build. So, odd question. Do you think gold could actually pull back for the daily flip? Peter, I definitely do think it could, bro. It's just a case of how far. It is looking good for the sell-off, yeah. Chad, I just want to skip this song. This song is a bit rough. I'm feeling good, but I'm not that far in yet. Yeah, the thing is, if you look at it like this on a 4-hour, it definitely can sell off. Technically, you've broken under that zone again. You're at the weekly supply, so things can get very interesting. But no, I do think it definitely can still flip. It's just a case of it might like just get the flip type of vibe, you know what I'm saying? So it might not be anything crazy, but yeah, just gold's in a very weird place right now, bro, if I have to be honest with you. Even when you look here on like the lower time frames, it's a very hard place to maybe try to take anything from. This is the first little zone that's standing out to me, yeah. So I think we could do something, yeah. But yeah, gold is just, it is in a very messy place right now, bro. Yeah, so it will be interesting. I won't lie to you. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you and say it won't be, but it is a very interesting spot right now. Alright, almost a little bit of a big zone, but things getting very messy out here, so give us some nice type of target and price range to trade to if it does sell off for us. At least there's something we can kind of target there. But yeah, so getting quite interesting. But yeah, Peter, it is, but like I said, that's still a big hope. But otherwise, yeah, then you've got this target down, yeah, if we look at it that way. So yeah, we're just gonna take it and see what it gets, bro. As I said earlier, it's nice to have a bias and you gotta trust it, but at the same time, these markets lately have taught us to adapt. I mean, it hasn't stopped at all, yeah. No, bro. I get what you're saying, Peter. Target 40 pips, running 32 now. Ruin beautiful, bro. Gold buys. Elton, as I said, I'd love the buys, but we're really going to just see what happens, yeah. Gold needs to retest 22.95, then come back down. That would be a perfect confirmation as it's a weekly POC value area high. All right. I took Naz. What's up, Keegs, my swell brother? What's up, Nila? Hope you're well, my man. Only reason I ask is because all of the last 4 accounts have basically no top wicks for them. I mean, they were like 20 pips, sorry, 10 or 12 pips. Yeah, no, Peter, so that's why I say I do think it could happen, bro. I do, but it's still a big ask. Like, for example, I'm just saying tomorrow, if tomorrow is a miss, this thing's gonna take off tomorrow. If it's a miss tomorrow. But yeah, we always said to you guys, remember, this thing is, if you look at it this way, like, for me, this is one of probably the next major zone, 2158. And even if we pull back as far as this, yes, you can be going daily bearish at this point, but as far as this long term, you're still bullish. Like, it's still bullish at that point. So that's what people are forgetting about this. We've just been bullish for so long. To this thing to actually have to flip to a bearish point is quite crazy. So yeah, you can kind of still be having all these sells and be bullish, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's a case of, and that's what I said to you guys, it's a case of just reacting, as I was saying, purely because yes, the market is in a way still bullish order flow, but I know a lot of other guys will still always refer to it as intraday market. So our bigger, higher time frame, if you want to say long-term swing positions, whatever you want to call it, can be bullish. Your intraday could be bearish. You have to be swole to have a swole brother. Oh, Etty. Gold longs. Yeah, the Chad getting. Whew. I know you guys are playing there though. Chad, as I said, it's just a case now of seeing what we can get you. Alright. Chad, again, we are gonna just let you guys know. You can use the link in the description underneath. For a lot of you guys that did miss it, what is that? I'm no clue. Social. I think that's for the business. For you guys that don't know, obviously the last discount code went down. I know a lot of guys coming to us saying, bro, but what, guys, that was month end, what was this, what about this? And guys, that's just how it is sometimes, but we are going to hook you guys up. So at the moment there is, again, not a 45, but this is a 40% off on all accounts. So ZAR or dollar, any size, 40% running, guys. You can use code, I'm going to put it down in the chat for you, code NFP. For 40% off, the link is in the description. 40% off, use code NFP on all accounts, guys. This is to make sure you guys can be sorted. You can trade NFP with us, with one of the best prop firms out there. And then moving forward, we are just going to see, guys, that literally will be done by the end of this week. So don't sit on it, don't wait, because after this, I think it's going to be quite a while till we have another juicy discount code like that. So make the most of it. Even like our brother Jason asked me, is, guys, get him on some discount. Even if you're busy, you can trade the account in a month's time, whatever the case is, but just make the most of the discount code as you want. But yeah, moving on, that's just another hook up there for you guys. So we'll just see what happens there. Let's do this. Can we pin that for you guys? There we go. Message pinned. All right. Waiting to get in on gold. Yeah, fair markets there. Already giving you guys some insights. Trading NFP live, Peter. I don't know, bro. We're gonna see. Honestly, we're gonna see. I'm not gonna make promises. If I'm feeling, maybe I'm feeling cute, I want to stream NFP. Might not. We'll decide. Yeah, I think we'll be good. So we'll see what happens, Chad. I'm not gonna make promises, so just keep it heads up. Maybe set that little bell icon on there. As I said, maybe we go live for NFP tomorrow. Who knows? We'll have a bit of a longer session. Still waiting for the CPI live. Hey, Peter knows what it's about. Guys, and how is that, eh? We always joked about it, but please tell me you guys saw that they have officially started now charging and having guys trade FOMC live with us. And we said that guys are eventually going to start doing the other events. Is Jeff already in a trade? Mario, no, he's not. That's what he said. I'm waiting to get in on gold. Waiting, brother. He's not in it yet. The guys did share it up high in the chat. If you go look there, you will find it. Yeah. Is Jeff okay? Thanks, no problem. Yeah, just go find it high up. You'll find the trade setup. You're looking cute, bro. So I rate you guys. Stream it. Shy Callum. Cash hunters, yesterday gold made me poor, today made me rich again. Hey brother, that's awesome. I don't know if you took the trade with us or if it was your own trade, but I'm glad to hear it, bro. We all want the gold bars, but I need a good entry. 100%, bro. As much as I say we all would want it, it's the case about entry. What's your favorite mana guava? Alright, Chad, we have got 15 seconds till market open. Let's see what happens. Coming soon, 2G's Asia session. Lol, yo, guys. that will be a hectic one, eh? Chris and I still said, trust me, the day is gonna come. We're gonna do maybe an Asia session, but we said when we do the Asia session, it's gonna be an out the blue. Like, we're not gonna tell people. We're just gonna be like 2G's going live, Asia session. Like, everybody, what the hell? So we'll see who has like the notification bell on and stuff like that. So we said we will do it one day for fun. But then we also have the 24-hour stream. That's going to be exciting. Featuring Lilith and Hensku. Hey, you need people from other places in the world for Asia. Yeah. To be fair, hey, we actually do have a lot of overseas guys. Our numbers obviously are a lot crazier, yeah, but we do actually have a lot. It will happen and no one is going to see it coming. Exactly, guys. See, Mo even knows. We're not joking about this. But the market's open, guys. Round 2. Fight, baby. Let's see what we get here, Chad. 15-minute shuffle. Gold holding that weekly supply perfectly. So let's see. DXY. We need DXY to get back under Asia lows. We're going to set an alert there. We want to see either get to that resistance or it must get to those Asia lows for us. So that's what we're going to take note of there. Yes, please, Asia session. I am in Cambodia. I'll be able to trade and work. Lol. Yeah, maybe, as you say, Chad, it definitely is going to happen, but one day. I can't tell you when. Running without me. I need to retire from trading gold. King, bro, that's barely a move, bro. I know it actually looks a lot bigger on the dollar size of it, but there's still a lot of volume there to be caught, brother. We bring a barber to the office. Hey, we do, bro. We need one. Need 2300 on gold. Yeah. 2300 will be a good area to look for. I will say, guys, Asia tends to be very, very boring. Yeah, I think if we do Asia, it will have to be a day where it's like yen CPI or something, where we know we're going to get some volume in the yen markets. At limit 2388. Why would you have a limit of 2388 though, King Shark? That's my first thing, eh? I'm guessing you meant 2288. No, it's just 2288. Oh, sorry. But yeah. Oh, Big Ed. Trade the AD and NGD pairs. They fine in Asia. Hey guys, and my boys confirmed it. So Big Ed in the building with me tomorrow morning for London session. So we're gonna have Forex insights in here to give us some insights into Forex tomorrow, guys. So tomorrow also gonna be a nice juicy one. Looking for gold bars. What about you, Keys? Yeah, bro. I'm looking for the bars, but we just have to see what happens. I think personally, we need some type of break above, yeah, but I would love to take it above this zone. That's why I'd love to take it, honestly. So really, when we get above that 2300. Ngubeni, bro, you should have been with us this morning, brother. Then you would have made money on gold. You alone today? I am Jevid to run out to go do some house stuff. Obviously, he just moved into his new place. And Chris has a meeting at the moment, so Chris might only join me a little bit later if he's done in time. Otherwise, it is a solo flight today, brother. I disagree, bro. I've caught about 50% gold on a constant basis, trading sometimes in the week on that on gold alone. Yeah, Chad. It always depends, eh? Again, that's variant on your strategy, if you want to call it that. I mean, just an example, Chad. We took the sells this morning, and the same thing I said to everyone was, you could take the sells and we got our nice 1-to-1. But the thing was, I said to you, definitely can still go long. Someone asked me if they can hold and go long, and I said you definitely can. Nothing wrong with it, but you have to be prepared. At this stage, we literally had one way. We had to obviously retrace and test the breakout, and this was a case of does it hold. So obviously we tested it twice. Did land up holding, those just being wicks, but did land up holding, and then the massive sell off. So it's just a case of, again, being patient, guys, trusting your setups. So I don't know if whoever that was that asked me this morning if they could hold it, did hold, because I mean you would be smiling now. But yeah, no keys. Did you guys have the Fortnite game that day or not? A lot. I forgot to ask. Danielle, we did. Yeah, we did. Chris did pull through. We played 8 games. We got 7 wins out of 8. The other days that most of the time it doesn't move much. From like October last year till Jan this year, it moved like 20 pips total. Yeah. Is Big Ed coming tomorrow? Yeah, Vince. Forex Insights is going to be in the building with us tomorrow. Addicted to making money. Yo, Moski's there, bro. Yeah, we're just waiting for that 50-minute shuffle as well, Chad. Remember. I just want to see what has NASDAQ been doing since market open. Selling off, interesting. So nice test on that zone again, and the sell off. US30 also selling off. Remember, guys, I said both of them. This needs to have that zone still tested, and NAS hasn't tested Asia lows. So both very interesting there. DXY literally not moving actually. So we're just gonna see what's happening here. Gold really trying to fight back here, Chad. No trade, no bread. He is, so he isn't a noob after all. Nah, bro, he was a noob, but he wasn't that bad. He caught on quickly, so you can see he does game. The fact he could rather hold himself a bit. Not gonna lie, I was impressed when I heard it went well. Yeah, as I said, Chad, we had some funny freaking moments. Like I would say, we are almost a very sweaty squad. The guys that we play with, because again, we all have that time to play. We boys at heart still, we love our games. But you bring someone on who is like very average or a noob, it's always like, we're gonna have fun here now. So he was still doing like noob-like stuff, but it was good. It was good fun. About 2 weeks ago, I got a 47 pip move in the Asia session, but I agree it's not all that time. But from what I've tested, is most of the time if you catch it correctly. Slashy, the thing for me is with gold, for example, if you're on the right side of gold and you catch it from like the start, for example, if you anywhere in the market open, basically any time really in Asia, if you sold, you were right. As long as you don't have it like some tiny ass little stop, you could have sold there, you were right, you could have sold there, had a bit of pullback. Like any time in Asia today, you could have sold and made money. If you caught the low, for example, and bought, like even, if you bought there, like on the break of structure, you would have just sat through that, but eventually through London, then you would have come right. Again, if you bought or sold after the break of the EQ, you would have sat through a little bit and then TP. So I think that's the thing with Asia session. A lot of the time with gold, it tends to go one direction. So if you just on the right side of it, then you smiling. If you're on the wrong side, you hit TP stop loss very quickly. I will say I'm talking only gold. Yeah, Peter, yeah, I agree with you. Lilith, got to hear the story from Chris. He'll be like, yo, Chad, I was like the Terminator. Yeah, no, Chris was... Don't know. Let's get him when he's online again. I'm guessing you guys play Fortnite. Yeah, Chris is near his wheels oiled, then Terminator all the way. I would say as well, yeah. You want to go from a cupcake to being, from being udon noodle. Aish boys. I'm still waiting here, guys. Basically 5.5 minutes left till market shuffle's done, and then we're gonna see what we can get. DXY looking like it's about to test that zone, so things are about to get interesting. Literally that took a while for that alert to go off. But we're gonna see what we get here now, Chad. We're gonna see what we can get here now. If you know a Fortnite player, let me know. I'll get my son to play. He's actually quite good. I just can't stay at the construction. I prefer Counter-Strike. Yeah, bro. Oh, you prefer CS? Oh, okay. CSGO. Okay, yeah. Nah, bro, I do get you. I know Chris is a big CSGO player. So, yeah. That you can jam with Chris. But as I say, bro, the Fortnite, also, I can't do the building. I can't, bro. The minute the building comes out, then I look like a noob. TP on gold, hit baby. That is awesome, bro. Awesome. What's up, brother? DXY and gold pumped together. Rest in peace accounts. Yeah, as I said, for me personally, if DXY continues, I will sell gold. If this thing gets above here, then as I said, that can be flipping bullish. Just play no build Fortnite. Yeah, that's what I say, bro. So I play no build. The minute the building's there, then I become a noob in Fortnite. But when you want to see me sweat, bro, then it's Call of Duty. Call of Duty, yo, then I get serious, Chad. That's a game I take personally. Bro, what's this show? I'm dying. Where Peter Murray, did you share the setup because you own the smoothies now? Ooh. James N, I've seen that option. It just pushed me off when there's all this construction. Yeah. Warzone, Cuck Funny, I'm a CS2 main. Peter Murray also enjoy it. Bro, I'll jam Warzone every now and again, but more like Call of Duty. So like ranked play Call of Duty. Yeah. Then that's where like I'll grind, bro. Warzone's like for when I'm just relaxing, having fun. Murray, did you, yeah. When are the gaming streams starting, brother? Bro, I actually thought about that, hey, like maybe when I'm like chilling at home, because we got all the setup gear. Maybe I'll stream like a little game session one time. Like all the Chad, yeah, who games or just wants to chill out. We can chill out and chat crap and play some games. Keegan's Call of Duty rage is worse than some people's road rage. Yeah, Kyle's someone that's witnessed it. Man's played with me, as I said, Call of Duty I'll take personally. For the 60 pips, it can if you like. Lol, I can send in the Discord as well. Card Mobile is low-key cool, huh? I actually still haven't played it, bro. I always get the bloody adverts for it, but still haven't played it. I've been jamming COD daily. Yeah, Kingshake, I see you playing it more often, bro. I play Warzone Mobile and PUBG, lol. Gaming stream would be cool. Peaches, yeah. Keeks also play Warzone. You play Rebirth. Yeah, bro. So when I play Warzone, yeah, we play Rebirth. I just prefer it again. It's more fast paced. Game streams will be top tier, man. Yeah, Chad, maybe we'll think about it. I think moving forward with the changes we're going to be making, maybe we add a little section in the community for like gaming. just because I see like there is a lot there, even for the ladies if they do game. We'll maybe add a little gaming section where we can talk about games and do stuff. That maybe that's what we'll do, Chad. Let me know what you guys think about that. Do we maybe add a little like, let's call it like a hobbies section in the community, where we can talk about that. Like, I don't know, if you want to talk gym, if you want to have a gaming section, if you want to have a cars section, and we can talk about all that crap and share it. And if you guys have events, things like that, we can do it together. And like you say, everyone like support each other in it. Because it works. There was a community I used to be part of, and they had it, and it really works so well. Because if you want that break from trading, I always say to people it's dope because you have that community where you are all traders, so you have that already to start off, and then you have all the extra things to relate to and bond with, and it really becomes a nice for the community. So maybe that's something we do for ours, Chad. We say we want to revamp it, so maybe that's something we add into, also brings up a bit more life into the community. Keeps you down to sell gold if it breaks below the weekly supply. Genre, yeah, I am. As I said, if we keep rejecting, yeah, I will adapt and look for the sells. I actually bought an Dragon Law the other day, investing in the CS and now the stock market law. Sounds cool. Yes, definitely. Yes, bro. That would be sick. That would actually be dope as hell. Would be so sick. That would be awesome. Anyone play Grey Zone yet? Warren, myself and JW were talking about this last night actually. I've seen a lot about it and I don't know, bro. Like, I'm sorry, there's times I'm stingy. Like, even though I think it's like $350 to pay $350 and then it's like just absolute crap, I'm like, then I'll be bleak, bro. So yeah, I want to hear about it a bit more, and from people that actually have played it, they maybe are. I'm the only charts in Discord. Yeah, Keeks, did you see the Red Bulls Miami, bro? The Red Bulls one's dope. I'm disappointed in Ferraris, bro. I thought that was just gonna be blue. Like, if that Ferrari came out blue, that would be so dope. But the Red Bull, I will give Red Bull, that is sick. That is sick delivery they did. Hoping to see Katie's higher than my trading win rate. Oh, Chad. Alright. 50-minute shuffles over, Chad. So let's see where we can get in here. If we get a nice breakdown of the weekly supply, I'll look for those shorts. Because that's looking quite good now. DXY testing that zone. So if this candle continues to break above, we can look for the sells underneath here on gold. Your James and you rich, the law. Grey Zone isn't ready yet. They were just profiting off Tarkle's $250 mess. Yeah, the game will be so good in 2 months, not now. Okay, awesome. Volume slightly lower than normal. King Shaka, you sure, bro? I'll turn it up a little bit for you, bro, but just let me know there. Alright, that's a little bit louder, bro, so just let me know if that's fine. Ferrari looks like the blue ink toner is low. Yeah. Hi, Keeks. I'm new to trading and have no experience. What's so important about the Asia range? We always just say, bro, so you got 3 sessions in the day. You got Asia session, London session, New York session. And it's pretty much just the fact that Asia is the very first one. So Asia kind of gets to set the tone and the range for the day for us. So that's why we basically like Asia. It's just the case. They're all important, but we focus on Asia just because it sets the tone for the day. So yeah, much better. Okay, perfect, bro, perfect. Nas looking for those sells, guys. So anything under Asia lows I think would also be good. The fact you're in the Asia range. US 30 back at the zone, guys. As we see, we want to see US 30 retest this. Over to gold. As you said, gold, we want to look for the sells there, Chad. There we breaking above. Might be very, very naughty, Chad, but I think if we get a closure, I will execute on the sells. What we thinking, Chad? What we thinking? We had a beauty this morning. Can we have a little copy and paste? Can we have a little copy and paste here? Hey Keegs, when should one expect to get an account after a purchase? Almost immediately, bro. It's just a case of if you paid crypto, the crypto can take a little bit longer because they've just got to approve a few things. But if you paid normal Visa and that type of stuff, it should be almost immediate, brother. Same thought on gold. Okay, awesome. Let's see ya, chat. Hope you guys are ready. Time to get that powder wet, baby. Trades 80% waiting and 20% executing. Yeah, that was literally this morning, guys. The chat thought I was falling asleep there. And I said to the guys, listen, we know where we want to execute. We're waiting for it. And if that's what we get it. If we don't, we don't. Simple as that. Like 5 minutes later, yeah. Yeah, like when I say immediately, guys, yeah, like anything 2 to 5 minutes. The fact if it's anything of like a half an hour later, then already there's something up. But yeah, again, like I said, if it is crypto does allow a little bit of time just because I've got to check things on the financial side. It's almost like they've got to manually check the payment, but everything else should be immediately. DXY. Okay, DXY breaking above and those Asia highs. So again, chat, I would love to do this, but the thing for me is this could be very risky because that DXY could be a fake out and this thing can go. So this thing might run without me, but if this thing doesn't close underneath here, chat, I can't take it. I can't take it if we don't take that low. As much as I'd love to. Because DXY, as I said, faking out, holding the zone, but just a wick of Asia highs. Remember we said that. So they're still closing underneath, and this thing closing above. If it runs now, it runs without us, but I'm not going to just go give back my profits from this morning for no reason. We got to stick to our rules, Chad. I see you guys mentioning crypto in your rules, but I can't find crypto through your broker on the MT5 app to trade. James N, no, brother, you misunderstand me. You can use crypto to pay to buy an account, but that's it, bro. Yeah, you're not trading crypto on the broker, brother. You can just use crypto to as a pay option. I feel like I'm in some movie or video game with this music. What music is this? Like I'm at the end of like an Avengers movie or something. Hey, yo. Some of these playlists, Chad. We if you guys don't know, we're obviously going through a bit of a music thing at the moment. Just because for some reason, I think maybe it's because we're getting more like viral now, I don't know. We are getting flagged for the music we play, so we literally have to just try and find copyright and royalty free and all this crap. The joys of YouTube. But yeah, just making the most. If this thing gives us a nice close, yeah, Chad, we can execute there. But as you see, DXY rejecting, so that's why we are waiting here. Under two-step evaluation rules. Let me have a look here, brother. Let me have a look. I will let you know now. I'm going to look here for you. Where is under two-step evaluation rules? I'm not even allowed, bro. I have no clue where you even found that. But we're trying to find it here quickly. Yeah, I don't even know where you found that, bro. It's on the FAQs. Where did you find that? The tradable forex pairs are the, for example, Euro USD, AUD US30. Tradable indexes and cryptos will be found as P pairs. Example, Bitcoin USD, P USD. Oh, okay. So then search that, bro. What do you want in the search? Bitcoin, then search there. BTC USD dot P. Under markets offered. Okay. Just so what are you looking for that you can't find them, bro? I'm in tight stop, time to pray to the gold, Time to pray to the gold gods. King Shaq, what are you in though, bro? Sell or a short or a long? Yep, I don't think it's offered. Maybe a mistake on the website. I can't find any cryptos. James N, I will give me 2 minutes, bro. We are waiting here. I just want to see this 5-minute closure, and then I'll assist you there, my brother. Okay. Don't know. I'm long, no stress, bro. Yeah, just give me 5 minutes. Just want to see this candle closure, 2 minutes even, and then I'll be able just to give you confirmation on that. Keys, what if what you say if gold hits 22.82? Can we look at long 22.82? No, bro. For me, I think you might go all the way down to if I'm honest with you, 22.68. If he's praying, he wants it to go up. Yeah, King Shaq 22.88 long got so close to being stopped. Lol. Eish, brother, man's playing a dangerous game here. That's why we can't enter this either no chat. If you look at DXY rejecting. This was the thing we were talking about, that fake out. Yeah, there we go. So this thing can definitely reject your chat. That's literally what we said to you guys earlier. If you look at this on the 15, what did I say to you guys in analysis? I said it can get you wick the daily pivot Asia highs and still close underneath this, and that's exactly what it's doing. So again, I hope you guys listened, because that thing's playing out very, very strongly for there. Are you looking for a trade in the current session? Yes, Bossman CEO, that is what I'm doing. If I'm on stream, I'm looking to trade, bro. We don't just analyze here. I need gold at 2300 before 2288, and I will pass another 100k challenge, man. That's awesome. Yeah, personally, I need it anywhere above here. I won't take it. This is a very, very risky entry. But that's the 5-minute closure, so no shorts. But again, DXY, can that be the fake out? Then we will see the long start coming into life. Keys, does your 15-minute have a top wick? My 15-minute does have the one that just opened. This one, no top wick. So yeah, just to go sort my man James out. Just give me a few minutes, guys. I'll be back now. Hey James, okay, I was right, brother. Yeah, you can't trade it on the page. Yeah, so you can't trade it with Volfunder. It is a mistake on the FAQ side of it having it there. I think that was just when the guys were putting the T's and C's, compliances, things like that, and it was just a mistake. So yeah, unfortunately, no, you can't trade cryptos, brother. We'll only sell dollar pairs and DSY trades above the daily pivot. Yeah. You go rules, general valuations, markets offered, then you go change it, and then you can change it. No stress. I don't even trade crypto. Okay, no, perfect, bro. But yeah, we are aware of it. Yeah, the guys are actually meant to have changed it already, so someone might have a cuck-out session that's not changed yet. Keys, what will be your entry signal for NAS? Retest of Asia low for shorts. I wouldn't go short, bro, purely because now, remember, I am bullish, but that was the idea. Again, you need a break, now retest. If this thing doesn't retest, gets back above, it's obviously back in the Asia range, and you've got DXY rejecting hard, bro, so I don't think the shorts will play out for you. The longs will probably be the better option, yeah. Keegs, are there any discounts available? Manuel, yeah, you go, brother. It's pinned NFP for 40% off. The link is in the bio, brother. Well, the description, not the bio. Do you know where I could buy the pump that pushes candles like these? Hey. Let's see what we get your chat. Let's see. Is there a Discord for Vault Finder? No, there's not, brother. Thanks, Will. Definitely awesome, bro. Appreciate supporting the channel. 100% thanks, man. Does DXY and NAS typically move in opposite directions, or what is the correlation with those pairs? Yeah, bro. They basically move in correlation. Very, very similar idea to what DXY and gold do. So they do in a very inverted direction. But in a nutshell, yeah. Obviously, NASDAQ is the one that can move a little bit different sometimes. But yeah, most likely they will be inverted to each other. That's where you'll see, for example, NFP. Whatever the NFP result is, a lot of guys, like, let's say if they trade in a funded account, they will normally trade gold. But a lot of guys will trade on a personal account, will trade USD or NAS. Because if DXY goes down, gold, NAS, USD will all go up. If DXY goes up, gold, NAS, USD will all go down. Chad, we're going to closure. This is going to be a risky entry, but I'm going to take it purely because of us having a banger entry this morning. All right. So we're going to see you, Chad. I just want to see where DXY is. Oh. I'm going to take it, Chad. So I want to wait till this top, till we flip, and then I'm going to enter. So the minute this flips bullish, Chad, we'll enter the long, okay? There we go, Chad, I'm in. Okay, we're going to run a 60 pip for the low of the day. And I'll 1 2 1, alright. That's the target for the day. Reason being very, very simple. You take this out, you're on the wrong side, and you can be very, very quickly penetrated. If this thing goes down, it can break those lows very, very fast. So we're just going to see what happens here, Chad. I'm putting 0.5% on this one. So purely the reason it can run nicely, or I can literally still have the day closing profitable with this morning's trade. Alright. Okay, sweet. Appreciate it, Keegs. I'm tempted to go full margin on a small personal account tomorrow. I think it's always fun, bro. When I started trading, I'm not promoting it yet, guys, but when I started trading, I did it as well. It obviously gets the blood pumping a bit there. So this thing, Chad, if this runs, I was showing the 15, you can literally look at this zone, and if it breaks that zone all the way back to Asia lows, as we were talking earlier, this thing could be a massive, massive move. So we're just going to see what happens here, Chad. We could be in and out here quickly looking at this volatile thing. Took the long on the failure to make a lower low, already break even. Awesome, bro. Quick scalp. Keith, can you change the colors to normal? Oh, brother. Thank you, Keegan. What is the TP and stop loss? Sorry, man. On my phone, can't see. The stop loss is 2285.63. TP is 2297.95. Thanks, Keegan. Alex wants the tip. Hey, naughty, naughty, yeah, Chad. Naughty, naughty. This thing can actually run very, very nicely, Chad, if this thing starts going. DXY. Oof, DXY having a hard comeback here. I don't like what DXY is doing there, guys. I don't know what just broke on factory orders. Yeah, I really don't like what DXY is doing there. But we're gonna back this trade still, Chad. You're very knowledgeable. Appreciate you, bro. Anytime, my man. Are there any confluences or indicators at all to better predict the movement for big news events? No, brother. Unfortunately not. There's not really indicators. Well, not that I've come across that are going to help you trade fundamentals. Yo, this music. Where the hell's next? I'm just going to find a different playlist here quickly. Alright. Yo, now I feel like I'm in some 80s pub. Oh, there we go. This thing literally says free beats for stream. So we'll see. Nas still signing Keegs. Yeah. Dirk Coin for the small account and full margin. But like a 1K or 2K account. Yeah. As I say, guys, I don't like what DXY is doing here. But trade still definitely got some legs on it. So we're just going to see what happens here. Nas rejected Asia lows, so I can't remember who asked me about this, but I remember I said big thing was it had to reject. So if it did close there, you could have entered. But yeah, US City also rejecting it. So big thing now is, I said, guys, we are just watching this here. Can we get a quick in and out here? A little in and out burger. DXY dying. Oh yeah, there's a dying now. Yeah. Markets are all over the place here today, Chad. Nas still selling keys are. Let's see what we can get here. Nice 60 pips, Chad, to start the day. Or finish the day. It would be beautiful right now. Oh, come on. Just run for us, gold. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see, come on. We want to see this thing run, guys. I'm gonna go break even DXY heading back up. Yeah, I just want to see this thing run a little bit more, Peter. A little bit more. If we wick these highs here, Chad, I'm gonna go break even. That's literally all I'm waiting for here, Chad. Chad, I'm gonna go break even purely for the fact of that wick over there. We tapped it there, if you look at it that way. So either we can get some volume to break through there, or we're gonna reject. So again, you might say we pull in this gun a little bit early, but we're gonna watch it for that little high. So we are break even on this, Chad. We want to see volume just run now. Yeah, either this thing can break, or as I say, it must just run. DXY still hovering around there. Let's see, come on. We already break even, so I'm happy with that. I'm comfortable now. Come on. I secured a W trade. Awesome, King Shack. I missed my NAS entry. Oh, bro. I'll say I'm going for 1 to 2, though. Yeah. Thank you as always, Keegs. Your pretty pleasure. Lego shaky. Yo. Lol. Yeah, bro. My tongue was like stuck there in my mouth. That was hard to say. Yes, this thing was just ran, guys. Come on. Come on, Chad. Let's see this baby run. This would be beautiful. I would just love this. Come on, there's that volume. Just jump for us. Just teleport. Gold is going to pump, yeah. What is the NP code for Keegs? 40% off, bro, on Vault Funder. Literally till NFP. So make sure you can get an account now so you can trade it. If that top breaks, it's gone. Yeah, that's why I said though I'll go break even, because either we're gonna reject it now, or we are. I'm definitely, yeah, I'm out, Chad. I'm out. Okay, so we got a break even trade there. As I said, guys, very, very simple. Literally, they are break even trade, so we'll just get rid of that. Markets are, yeah. It's very, as I said, DXY can be faking out. If DXY does break and eventually do this, gold's gonna die. So Mandela, unfortunately not, bro. No 2350, bro. I would have loved it, but no 2350. The big thing now is if you see our play, this is a sell. Where is it? A sell continuation. So let's just do this quickly. Where's our Discord? Sell scenario. So there, chat, if you look at it, sell continuation there. Sell, pullback, next one, break. Literally this one right here, Chad. So if you look at it, yeah, literally this one. Can I not zoom this thing in? How do I zoom it in? I don't know. It's not letting me. But if we, there we go. This one, yeah, Chad, right there. So you'll see there, pull back on a level, break down. There's your entry on your sell. And if we go over to this now, your sell on your level, pull back, break. So if this enters now, this is literally our sell, guys. I don't want to be that guy like jumping in here now and being like, oh guys, let's sell. If you guys want to, that is literally the sell criteria, but I'm not going to be that guy now. If DLR continues, would you go short on gold? Yeah, Kyle, as I said, if this thing breaks, yeah, bro, literally, guys, I'm not taking it. I'm just saying. So let's just say that closed there. Stop loss. Again, you can do the 60 pips. So I'd even say a bit above this candle body. So let's just make it a 50 because they've already given it with some space. The candle bodies, and then you just want again the quick pump. So a 1-to-1. And you would get that. So yeah, but that's if this breaks below with a closure over there. But I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna be that guy being buy, then get to have to break even. Now we sell. No. That's not trading. Even I can analyze it. It's not trading. I'm breaking my rules if I do that. What is the psychology behind the DXY and gold moving opposite directions to each other? They are against each other, bro. Dollar is backed. Gold is backed by the dollar. Choosing Chardonnay. I will. It's all good. As gold versus USD. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so if this 15 closes, yeah, it can be a massive, massive sell-off. Yeah, if this thing does close, it's... I don't want to be that person though, Chad. Maybe I'll be a degenerate. We'll put 0.5% on the table. Just because it's looking so good. Like, that's our entry criteria. So maybe I'll be a degen and I'll enter a sell with you guys. Be that person, have some fun. If DXY gives a nice strong closure, take the sell keys. Let's maybe we'll be a degen. I'll put 0.5% on it. That way, even if it hits, I still have a profitable day. So maybe we'll have some fun here with the Chad. But again, it has to close below, chat. If it closes anywhere up here, I can't take it. I can't take that. Just to wet the powder, yeah. Still above. Ooh. Ooh, Chad, you guys are tempting me, Yeah. Oh.
Okay, let me put on the headsets. So here's the thing. Obviously, I'm busy
Yeah.
on the other side of the office. So like more often than not, you'll come up to me and say, "Hey, did you take the trade?" And half the time, I never know what trade because I'm like I tune in and then I tune out because I need to listen to the videos I edit. Right.
Yeah.
Every time I take a trade with you guys, it's not one of those banger ones that you have with the
Did
chat.
you take
I took it. Like, check. Look at today. I took the gold trade with Chris, and then I came in and spoke to you guys about it, saying that I added a position.
Yeah.
And then when you took a trade, I didn't take it, and now you took this one.
Well, we're gonna take another one here now. Bro.
Are you?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I'm out for the day, bro. I need to go collect my thoughts.
Chad, if we enter the cells, candle closure.
I'm still bleak though. I'm not gonna lie. Like I know we're all practicing this thing of like, don't have FOMO, don't sit around and.
Okay, Chad, I'm in here.
Oh
We
shit.
put in 0.5% on the table here. 50 pip stop because that gives it to us just above those highs.
You'll find that this is gonna be the fucking runner. No, good luck to you and the chat. I'm praying for you guys. I can't see any comments. I just wanted to say that.
That will be the last one, Chad. We put in 0.5% on it for fun. We degens, so we're either gonna get our teeth brushed here now, or we're gonna smile for breaking rules. But
Tomorrow's another day. I'm out for the
tomorrow's
day.
day.
No, I'm telling you, bro. Anyway, chat, it's been good, bro. I'm choked for the day. Like I'm expended. Like my mind is done. Okay. Peace out, guys.
Oh,
Love seeing you
Moshi.
guys. Yeah, bro. It is what it is. Let's meet me there.
Yeah, guys, this as Peter's saying, Kansas be our top wicket is a new 15. So we're just gonna see what happens there. 4 hour is still actually looking very, very good though for this. 30 minute actually I do like. It's just a case of how bad of a pullback it can have before it breaks. But the 15, that is our sell continuation pattern, Chad. So yeah, I actually do like it a lot. It's just a case of did we catch it at the right time? That's honestly it. DXY having a retest and looking very, very good. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Mo, that was me a while ago. Every 1 minute I was here to enter, it was a stop loss or break even. Now stop on the 15. H Keegan, I can't risk it right now. That 10-minute candle hits a U-turn. No stress, Eden, bro. Remember, you don't have to take every trade I take. As I said, I'm being a DJ now. We're just having some fun with the Chad. Like you can even think of this as an R&D trade. We put in 0.5% on it, so even if it hits stop, I still am up 0.5% on the day. And R&D, just to see, guys, do we have our rules in place for a reason? Which is looking like it. Why we do have our rules. But yeah, a little R&D trade, yeah. The moment it breaks, it's gone TP. Yeah, no, definitely. If this thing goes, it's TP. But yeah, this thing can be quite a bit of a top wick. So we're just gonna have to see not looking too good, yeah, though, Chad. Not looking too good, yeah. Check DXY. What's DXY doing? DXY is just holding off there, bro. It's fighting, but I don't know if it's going to fight in time here for us. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to fight in time, bro. That thing is sniffing my stop. That is sniffing it. Bro, I think my chart is messed up. It's totally opposite to yours, keys. On my chart, gold is pumping. Wait, what? Innes, but that are you just not bullish then, bro? It is pumping. It's just pumping to the right, upside. No, Chad, I'm already stopped there. Oh, there you go, 0.5%, Chad. That is why we have our rules. That was a quick one, a little R&D trade. Yeah, so a good execution on why we have rules, why we follow them. Just part of the game. So again, we put the half risk on that. Ran a little R&D trade, and we saw what happened. So yeah, that's why we do what we do, Chad. So as I said, I hope the DJs learned a lesson there, and the rest are chilling. I'm surprised though, bro. That thing is taking off now. Yes. Got a level at 22.94. Seems to be testing that multiple times. 22.94. Yeah. But yeah, big one there, Chad. Big one. As you said, so bullish, obviously the right call. But it looked very pretty though. No, bro, it did. It was a nice break. The 5 minute looks a bit messy, but higher time frames, I mean, that did look very, very good for us. But part of the game, Chad. I mean, yes, this thing's going. Chad. That's what we were waiting for. Yeah, this thing was meant to run. That's what we were waiting for. There was just a little bit of the pullback, but all good, Chad. All good. As I said, a little R&D trade. It doesn't hurt nobody. But I think, yeah, Chad. Now it's gone now. That thing's moving, bro. Moving. But yeah, Chad. It is what it is. Hey. That's why you trust your gut there, Chad. You say don't trade it, you don't trade it. What is else? DXY back at that zone house. Let's see if it holds there. If that flips and goes to TP, I'm gonna be pissed. Peter, I guess, please tell me you stopped. You're not in that, bro. Like, you're not sitting through that. But that's a mess, bro. If you think of that, a 1 5 minute candle was almost 90 pips. 1 5 minute candle. Bro, that is crazy. Crazy. $9 move in yeses. Bro, you gotta understand. Like I always say to people, if you had an account and you would put in, like, yes, that's massive over leveraging, but put in basically a percent on per dollar, you were 9% up in one candle. Like that's madness. I'm curious, where did all that volume come from, bro? I don't know. That I can't tell you that one. I don't have an answer for that. That's just gold being gold. That was 2 4-hour candles last year. No, literally. Like that is crazy. Really is crazy. China number 1. Lol, I would have been 9% down one candle. Lol. Hey, chat. Hey. Key your prediction for NFP. Callan, I gave my predictions, brother. We're not going to go over it. We've done it a few times this week. But yeah, that was the call already. That was the 4-hour flip too. Yep, there we go. Not surprised at all. Chad, I'll be back now. So you go pee, guys. This trading game is tough. I bought you City. Hey, Lilith, did you buy? What a ledge. What a ledge. Yo, okay, but Nas, guys, yo. That I would have been clapped because, like, okay, I wouldn't have entered there though, but that's like all the way down, pullback. US studies at least of a zone, break in. Also, same thing, broke lower, clapped you. You would have been, okay, to be fair, that was down that much. You would have been break even already. It will sell any moment. Yeah. Nah, but that is trading, guys. That is trading. Yeah, part of the game, guys. Hope you guys. This is again a perfect example of why you have rules. You don't trust the trades, don't take them. Stick to your plan, execute. We were bulls, looked for the buys. We got stopped at a break even, and then this R&D trade. But yeah, Chad, I think we're gonna call it there. The market's honestly messy. If anything, I don't see us having another push getting above, yeah, above that 2300. So I don't really see anything going to be on the cards for me now. So yeah, pretty much just gonna have to wait, see what happens. But other than that, Chad, I think we're gonna call it a session. We've got some places to be, things to do. We normally call it half past, so it's in 3 minutes anyway. But Chad, again, thanks for being around. I hope you guys are gonna stay safe for NFP tomorrow. NFP gonna be a very, very big, exciting. Don't miss out for that. Again, Chad, alright, can't give me signals. 15 minutes is crazy. Yeah, thanks for showing up, Keeks. Always, guys, always. I'll always be here. So, y'all remember, Chad, we put the code there for you guys. That will be done by this weekend. So, it's just for NFP to make sure you guys are ready for tomorrow. So, make the most out of it. 40% off. We don't do a lot of big ones. We had the TFT down one, which was a little bit of banter. And then this one. So, after this, I think it will be a bit of a while again till we have a big, big discount code. So again, make the most of it, Chad. It can be on any account size. A lot of the time when we have these big ones, even a 35, so on, they for certain account sizes. This one you can use on anything. So make the most of it. Cheers, brother. Check you tomorrow. Make the most of it, really. Like I say, even if you buy the account now, you have it for later. But yeah, if you can, trust me, it's worth it. But yeah, then you have it. Use the link in our bio, please, in the description to support the channel. Just helps us grow with those little bit of analytics. And then other than that, who took gold? Sorry I couldn't be there today, Chad, but after today everything is sorted and I'm back full time. Pharaoh Markets, brother, you said you're going to send a message when you take it, so I don't know. But yeah, Chad, what we're going to do now is literally just kill it there. Remember, we basically spoke everything about what we think is going to happen with NFP tomorrow, why this. Again, we have rules for a reason, guys, so that just shows you that was a trade that can be very easily avoided. So unless you're a DGen and you want to take those type of trades, if you have a plan, don't be that guy going buy, hits a break even, now try to sell. They don't work. That's a perfect example. The market will always come out on top. Brave Keeks, tackle these bulls and bears alone. Peace, man, always. But other guys, thank you for all the love and support. Trust me, it doesn't go unnoticed. But if you guys haven't yet, please drop a like, a sub. We're on the road to 10K. I think we hit 7.5 today. So we are 25% away from 10K. That is, we are nearly there, guys. Nearly there. Proper inside shop, man. Always appreciate you guys all. But other than that, we'll see you guys on the flip side. Remember, opening bell tomorrow. Big G's out the building. We're going to have Forex Insights SA here with me. To do the London session, and then we got NFP, and then the New York session. So still, even though it's Friday tomorrow, a lot on the cards tomorrow, Chad. So do not miss out. Other than that, be safe, stay safe, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace and love, baby.
Whoa, who else can make the beat bounce?